Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, continuing on with my series on reverse mortgages. If you haven't watched the videos preceding this one, please jump onto my video library, which is floridamortgageexpert.com, where you could watch the entire series. But what I want to talk about in this video is how much can you borrow on a reverse mortgage. And I mentioned, I think in my first video, that it's really based on the actuarial tables, which is what like life insurance companies use and things of that nature. And I'm going to give you some rough numbers, and please don't take these to the bank. It's just an ish. On a home, if you're in your 60s, you got to be 62 to qualify. If you're in your 60s, they're going to lend you about 45 or 50% of the value of your home as the max. And then that number goes up 10% for each decade that you get older. So let's call it 50% in your 60s, 60% in your 70s, 70% in your 80s, and 80% in your 90s. I've never done a reverse mortgage for somebody in their hundreds, so I'm not sure about that. I believe the oldest gentleman I ever did a reverse mortgage for was he was 98 years old, and he was using the proceeds for some health costs. But look, that's basically how it works. So if you're sitting in a situation where you have a lot of equity, there's a lot of flexibility. By the way, another way that people use reverse mortgages is as a purchase. I've had people come down here where they said, hey, I want to buy my dream home. I just sold my house in whatever state, and I want to buy my dream home, and I have $150,000. Well, that doesn't buy you a dream home here in Southwest Florida. So what we could do is they put down 150. We could get them a reverse mortgage for the other 150. They won't have a payment due on that. Okay, basically they're receiving the funds as a lump sum, and they're able to buy their dream home and not be strapped with a monthly payment. So look, that's how that works. I'm Scott DiGregorio. I'm your mortgage guy. Please call me if you have any questions. Take care.